Love yours. No stress to me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie Nicole, and I hope you're having a great morning, evening, night, or whenever you're watching this video.
Cause you are my universe, my everything, my sunset. You still give me butterflies, my lullaby. You are.
And yeah, I'm just gonna get right into the video. Y'all know what the title says. I'm about to give y'all a little dorm tour, so let's get right into it. Okay, so I live in a suite style dorm, so like we have like a little common area. I didn't get permission to show the common area, so I'm not gonna like show y'all too much of it, but like we have a little common area. And let me show you the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. It's cute. It's a really nice size. There's our little shower curtain, toilet, all this nice stuff. Okay, so now the moment y'all all been waiting for. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all the whole thing first. This is my side, that's my roommate's side. I'm not gonna go in depth with her side, but I'm gonna show y'all my side in depth. Okay, so we have like a little mirror over here. So this is the desk. So on my desk I have like my little crystal tree, this diffuser, it lights up. We have Alexa right there. I love playing Alexa in the morning, guys. Like, and like when I be asking her to like shuffle music, she be doing a good job. So yeah, I got the one that like gives you like the little time and everything. I feel like it's pretty cute. Then we have my speaker, my pencils. This is my little lamp. It gets real bright. You can like adjust the settings. Like you see, like you can make it like more dim, more bright. And then I have another mirror.
Here is a computer. Acer Nitro.
Alexa, stop. Why is she activating without me? Did I say her name, guys? I actually might have, so let me stop. But okay, so this is my little mirror. So like these two mirrors are like regular. This one is like magnified and this one is magnified even more. So like when I'm doing my makeup and everything, like it really helps, especially if I'm doing like eyeliner, because child, eyeliner be get under my nerves. Okay, then this is all my makeup. So I have my mascaras over here, my eyeliner, my foundations. I have a little fan over here, and I have, you know, my makeup brushes, my spoolies for my eyebrows and my lashes, makeup brushes. I have some jewelry, my nose piercings, some more jewelry, my stuff for my lips and my blush, and then more jewelry. And then I have this little plant. Okay, y'all, so this is inside my desk. It's not the most organized in the world to y'all, but listen, it works. This is all like my makeup stuff and everything. This is my little, it's a little cover for my keyboard, a bracelet that my friend had made me. And then I have my little, and then this, on this side is like my school stuff, and on this side is my makeup stuff. And I put my laptop over here. So yeah, I have this little toothbrush to clean my computer. Don't ask, it works. My notebooks, my planner, and yeah, this is my desk. Okay guys, so this is my closet. So I have my book bags on top, and then I have like a little storage thingy over there, an extra comforter. These are all my sweaters and hoodies and everything. I have some pants over here, my towels, my little lint roller. Guys, I have this little fan, and it comes in handy for those days where you're walking to class and it's mad hot. I mean, it's not a strong fan, but something is something. I have this little sign to remind me to like listen more, talk less, because I find like sometimes, you know, I talk a lot, so it's good to listen sometimes. Then I have my little plants in the back. They're fake, of course. Speaking of plants, like that's my bamboo plant, guys. I brung her and I have to water her. So stuff for laundry. Oh guys, and it rolls If you guys are going to college, please get the rolling one because it is so convenient. Oh my goodness. I have a little trash bin over here. Okay, so over here I have a little bookshelf, my little rosary. I have my little Brita. Bad investment, but I'll talk about that in a future video. I have my little harmony balls, like so, out here. Then I have my sound bowl over here. Okay, so that concludes this part of my dorm. Okay, so now let me show y'all like my walls. So I have this Jhené Aiko poster, my favorite Jhené Aiko album. I love her, but this is my favorite album. I have my vision board, and then I have like a little college bingo, like some goals and some stuff that I want to achieve in college. I have this Mac Miller, the Divine Feminine album cover on my wall. I had actually got this from here. And then I have another Jhené Aiko painting. And I have my little plant up there and another painting, a little plant. And then I have like these little vines over there. It's really real cute. This is my bed. I have my stuffed animals on it, of course. I have a few pillows, guys. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 pillows. And I absolutely love it. Because like when I'm doing work and everything, it's so comfortable. This is the rest of my bed. My bed sheets, all that stuff. Now this is my rolling cart. This is all like my shower stuff and like some of my hygiene stuff. So I have this shower wash, stuff for my face, the shower wash I use daily, Black Girl sunscreen, my toner, and some other moisturizer, all that stuff. I also bought some Uno, which again comes in handy if like you're bored with your friends, you have nothing else to do, Uno. Then on this drawer, it's just like my more hygiene stuff. And the last one is just all my hair stuff. I'm not gonna go through it in depth, but just all my hair stuff. And I have some Febreze here. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is under my bed. These are all my shoes. I have some more in the back, but yeah, these are most of my shoes. I didn't bring too many shoes from home, but I feel like I brought just enough. Then I have my yoga mat back there, my shower caddy, which I do not use. I only use my shower caddy on wash days, but other than that, I do not use it. I have my dry erase board marker over there, my painting supplies, and then I have these little bins. And that bin is just like random stuff, like chargers, all that stuff. That's my medicine bin, and that's like my beauty bin. Let me show y'all. Like all my beauty stuff, some more perfume, some more soap, like just stuff that I didn't want to put over here is in there. Then I have my books over there. Next I have some cleaning supplies, and I have like some more beauty stuff, so a lot of perfume, extra hair stuff is all in there. This is like my snack bin. I have a bunch of snacks in there and everything. And then back there I have my, my pads, and then I have like some toilet tissue and garbage bags. And here I don't remember what's in there, but it's something. Okay, y'all, so let me give y'all, the last little look around. So like again, this is my closet, hamper, my walls, my desk, everything. Now I'm just gonna give y'all like a little look around at the whole room, including my roommate's side, so y'all can just see the size of the room. So yeah, that concludes today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed the video and found it informative, because like when I was researching this school and looking up dorm videos, like people like will show it but not like give me like an in-depth tour of their room. So I just wanted to show y'all a little in-depth tour of my room. I really love my room, but again, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Y'all be seeing my face a lot soon. Classes have been getting started and I've been doing like a lot of work, so yeah, so just bear with me, but I am back and I will be back next week. I'll also stay tuned for the college content, the college vlogs, get ready with me. And if y'all have any videos that y'all want to see about like the college admissions process, anything about that, comment down below. And yeah, so I hope to see y'all next week, and I hope y'all have a great morning, evening, night, or whenever you're watching this video. Bye.